That 0.5 gram mixture of K2Cr2O7 and KMN4 was treated with excess of Ki in acidic medium. Iodine liberated required 100 cm cube of 0.15 normal sodium thiosulfate solution for titration. Find the percentage amount of each in the mixture. Here, mixture of K2Cr2O7 and KMnO4 reacts with Ki. Iodine is liberated. The liberated iodine required 100 cm cube of 0.15 normal sodium thiosulfate Na2S2O3, which gives Na2S4O6 plus 2NaI. From this, equivalence of mixture of K2Cr2O7 and KMnO4 is N1V1. For Ki it is N2V2. For I2 it is N3V3. For hypo Na2S2O3 it is N4V4. Equivalents of all these are equal. Want to calculate percentage amount of K2Cr2O7 and KMnO4. Equivalence of hypo is given, that is sodium thiosulfate. Then equivalence of mixture of K2Cr2O7 is equals to equivalence of sodium thiosulfate N4V4. Then N1 is the normality of mixture of K2Cr2O7 and KMnO4. Then weight of K2Cr2O7 is equals to x grams. Consider weight of K2Cr2O7 equals x grams. Then weight of KMnO4 is equals to 0.5 minus x. 0.5 minus x, right? Then normality of mixture of K2Cr2O7, that is weight by equivalent weight. Equivalent weight of KMnO4 is 294 by 6 because of for K2Cr2O7 acid medium, K2Cr2O7 in acid medium reduced to Cr plus. Number of electron transfer are 3. For 2 chromium atoms it is 6. 3 into 2, 6 electrons. In plus, second one is KMnO4. Weight of KMnO4 is 0.5 minus x by 158 by 5 because of number of electron transfer in KMnO4 are. In KMnO4 acid medium, KMnO4 reduced to Mn plus 2. Number of electron transfer are 5. Right? That's why it is 158 by 5 into, it is weight by equivalent weight, into 1000 by V in ml, that is V1, into V1, and it is equals to N4V4, normality of sodium thiosulfate into volume of sodium thiosulfate. It is N1 into V1. V1 cancels. After calculating this, we are getting weight of X equals to 0.073 grams. It is weight of K2Cr2O7. Then percentage of K2Cr2O7. Weight percent of K2Cr2O7 is 0.073 by 0.5 into 100. It is 14.6%. Then percent of KMnO4 is equals to 100 minus 14.6. It is equals to 85.4%. Right?